How's it going, guys? So I just recorded a half-hour long video and then it didn't record the correct screen. So I'm a little frustrated, but I'm going to claim advantage here as we teach and know that this is going to be for the best. What I'm going to be doing here is just teaching you how to use Power Automate. I have been using WinAutomation for about 9 years, which is the precursor to Power Automate. And it has saved me so much time. Right over here are the actions. There's a million actions. You can drop down all of these, and they have anything that you can possibly do on a computer can be automated with Power Automate. I have created a flow here that allows me to better record these videos and more quickly SEO them, search engine optimize them, edit them, export them, and post them with the best SEO I possibly can while cutting down the time to about half the time, if not less than that. So that is going to greatly speed up my efficiency. And that's what computers are for in the first place. And that's why we have computer programs like Power Automate. Now, luckily, this comes free with Windows 11. I, in the past, have paid hundreds and hundreds of dollars for the precursor program to this called WinAutomation. So now it comes free, and I'm so glad that everyone has this ability. I, in the past, have run my entire music lessons business off of this with many teachers and many students. I would need to run payroll, make sure that everyone is doing everything right, that the scheduling was all right, and if anyone broke any policies or something, there would be different things that I would need to do. So I have made very complicated things into very streamlined processes. So I will make follow-up videos where I show how I've improved this. You've got subflows, which are equivalent to functions. Then you have your main flow here. The pre-SEO stuff that I'm doing. This helps with all the editing. This helps with the exporting and the posting. I will make more videos about how I actually use this. I'm not going to go into the details again like I did in the past half-hour video that was not good. So I just wanted to show you how I use it and how awesome it has been. This is somewhat of a testimonial. I will see you guys in the next video. And thanks again for watching and subscribing, liking the video, and I'll see you soon.